gather round, come and see. Math can be fun just like a melody. We're learning rounding yesterday, making numbers simple in an easy way. Round it up, round it down, spin those numbers all around. Look right there, the last digit now. Learn the trick and say wow. Round it smart, think real fast. Math can be easy, fun that lasts. Practice every day you do, math gets easier for you.
To round to 10, here's what we do. Check the last digit, that's your clue. 0, 1,
2, 3,
4, round it down. Don't add more. Keep the tens and make it neat. Change the ones to zeros.
sweet.
32 goes down to 30. See, 44 to 40, easy as can be.
But if it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, round it up, it's climbing time. Add one more to the tens place. 0 at the end, what a race. 48 goes up to 50, bright. 69 jumps to 70, right? Round it up, round it down, spin those numbers all around. Look right there, the last digit now. Learn the trick and say wow.
Now hundreds, here's the way.
Look at the tens digit,
Don't delay. 0 to 4,
round it down.
keep the 100.
Don't change town.
324 becomes 300.
444, 400, done it.
But if the tens is 5 or more,
Round it up,
let's add one more.
hundreds jump strong and proud. Zeros follow, say it loud. 486 goes to 500. 697, 700.
1,000 time, let's go big now.
Look at hundreds, here's how.
If it's 0 to 4,
Round it low,
keep the 1,000.
nice and slow.
3,324,
Becomes 3,000,
nothing more.
but 5 to 9.
Don't forget,
Round it up,
best choice yet.
add 1,000, bold and bright. Zeros follow, that's just right.
4,869,
5,000 now.
looks so fine.
Why do we round? Let's all say to make math easy every day.
Estimate, compare with these.
Solve problems fast.
Yes, please.
Big numbers shrink, simple to read. Saving you time is what we need. Round it up, round it down. You're the math champ in this town.
Look decide, then you know how.
You're a rounding star right now. Round it smart, think real fast.
You've learned a skill that's built to last.
Practice, practice, shout it loud.
I love math.
Say it proud.
Practice makes perfect.
Yes, it's true.
Keep rounding numbers and all you do.
Round smart, think fast, solve with ease.
Math is fun.
So sing with me.